Hello friends, welcome to your channel. I have a older version of Android Studio installed in my laptop which have Mac OS. I will update the older version with new Android Studio Iguana. We will go to the Android official site and will click on the button download Android Studio Iguana. We will accept the terms and conditions. Then we have to select either Mac with Intel chip or Mac with Apple. Because I have a MacBook, that's why I am getting these options. MacBook laptops before 2020 are generally Intel chip and those after 2020 are Apple chip. My laptop is old, so I will click on Intel chip. Download has started. File size is 1.1 GB. After some time, download is done. A .dmg file is downloaded. We will double click on it, which will start the installation. Then this pop-up will come and we need to drag and drop Android Studio to application folder. Because I already have a older version of Android Studio installed, so I will click replace. Installation is done. Now let's check how Android Studio Iguana looks. In the below dock, I have a shortcut of Android Studio. I will click on the icon. The UI has changed. We will click on new project. In the template phone and tablets, we'll click on empty activity, next, then finish. I have created a new playlist. Link is in the description. Bookmark the playlist in your browser because I will keep updating new Android videos in this playlist. Thank you for watching. I keep uploading videos regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.